Hi there, I'm Suranga from English Wind. හිත හදාගන්න බලන්න. ඕක තමයි ජීවිතය ඇති. ඉතින් මොනව කරන්නද නේද, right? That's life. Today we are going to talk about common English expression. That's life. That's life. ඒක තමයි ජීවිතය. මොනව කරන්නද නේ? ඕම තමයි. ඉතින් ඔයා දන්නවනේ ඉතින් කොහෙත් ඕම තමයි සිද්ධ වෙන්නේ. අනේ ඔයා ගැන හිත කලබල කරගන්න එපා. පොඩ්ඩක් හිත හදාගන්න බලන්න. ඕක කල්පනා කරන්න යන්න එපා. ඔය දැන් විභාගෙට වේ වැටි කරගන්න. ඕක කල්පනා කරන්න එපා. That's life. කරන්න දෙයක් නෑ. ඕක ජීවිතේ හැටි. That's the very idea when we express the same idea in Sinhala. That's life. ඕක තමයි ජීවිතේ හැටි. බලමු අපි. That's life. So in spoken language we don't say that is life. Say that's life. That's life. It's something that happens and that we have to accept and live with. It's something that happens and that we have to accept and live with it. We have to accept the idea, we have to accept the condition, and we have to live with it. Maybe the death of one of your relatives, maybe the death of one of your close friends, and then it's something that happens and that we have to accept that he is dead, he is no more. So he is no more, and we have to accept the fact it is the truth, and we have to live with it. We cannot get away from the condition. That's life. You would think that it's maybe of something fortunate. No, always it is. Basically, it's going towards unfortunate events, bad events. Waraddak සිද්ධ වුණාමනේ අපි කොහොමද ඕක තමයි ජීවිතය කියන්නේ. ස්වීප් එකක් අදිනාම අපි කාටවත් කියන්නේ නැහැනේ. ඕක තමයි ජීවිතය කියලා නේද? වැරදුනහම තමයි කියන්නේ. So the same idea, very idea that we express in English, that's life. Shall we go to a sentence? That's life. Some people are born intelligent and some people are not. Some people are born intelligent and some people are not. We just think that somebody would ask you your exam results, your father, your mother, when you come home. Well, fail. Your results are not maritathari. Go to the results. How about your results? Puta. Then you would say. Some people are born intelligent and some people are not. Father, realizing the fact, father would say, that's life. ඒක තමයි ජීවිතේ නේද? තාත්තා මේ කාලේ කියනවා එන්න පුළුවන් නේද? මෙයා කියනවා සමහරුන් නම් ඉතින් හොඳට මොලේ තියෙනවා. ඉතින් සමහරුන්ට මොලේ නැහැනේ. තාත්තට තේරෙනවද තාත්තා කියන? ඒක තමයි ජීවිතේ ඉතින්. එහෙම කියලා තාත්තට නැහැනේ. එන්නේ ෂොට් එකනේ. I පාඩම් කරේ නැත්තේ කියලා අල්ලගන්නේ. Right. I didn't get the job I wanted. They said I didn't have enough experience. I didn't get the job I wanted. I didn't get that job I wanted. මට ඕනේ ජොබ් එක මට හම්බ වුණේ නැහැ. They said I didn't have enough experience. ආගෙන හිට කෙනෙක් කියනවා. That's life, පුතා. He must have faced an interview and not selected for the post. And that is why he says so. එයින්තම මේ එයා කියන්නේ සිලෙක්ට් වෙලා නැතුව ඉන්ටර්විව් එකට අහගෙන ඉන්න කෙනා. එයා කනගාටුවට කියන කාරණේනේ. And then the listener would say, that's life, පුතා. එහෙනම් අපිට මේ that's life කියන එක ඊ තැන්වල හරියට පාවිච්චි කරන්න බං කාගේ හරි දුකක් නිවන්න. To console them, for consolation. සහනයක් දෙන්න කෙනෙකුට. When somebody tells you about sort of a pathetic condition, ජීවිතේ තියෙන මොකක් හරි දුක් බර කතාවක් ඔබට කිව්වොත්, then you would say, yeah, that's life. Maybe in funerals we would say, to console people, don't worry. This happens to everybody, right? That's life. Ewa give up again on it. That's life. So coming with a brand new video. Bye.